Hello friends, today we'd like to see how we find the value of a line given some chords. So we have a question on the board. Find x given that chords A, B and C, D intersect externally at O. The chords A, B we are talking about are this one and C, D is this one here. They are intersecting at O. Now, if you consider this one here, you realize there are two lines. One of which is DO, another line is line CO. It's only that they are overlapping at DO, that's why you cannot see them as being two. And then here also we have line BO and line AO. Remember they are overlapping at BO. So the rule here is get the products of the lines and equate them. So we shall take the product of these two lines, equate them with the product of these two lines. Now, if we start with this one which has an X, we shall have DO whose measurement is X times line CO whose measurement is X plus 5. X plus 5 should be equal to the product of BO whose measurement is 3 times the line AO whose measurement is 3 plus 9, because 9 is from here to here. So it is 3 plus 9 giving us 12. We expand or remove the brackets, we shall have x squared plus this times this gives us 5x is equal to 3 times 12 gives us 36. If we bring this one across equal signs, we shall have x squared plus 5x minus 36. This one changes the sign to negative because it has crossed equal signs, is equal to 0. Now we shall have ended up in a quadratic equation, and in our previous video which is on YouTube, we saw how we find or we expand the value such a quadratic. So we are looking for two numbers in this case whose product is negative 36. The product is negative 36 and the sum should be this middle number here. The sum should be this middle number which is positive 5. So the sum should be 5. So now in this case the numbers will be 9 and negative 4. So we shall write this using these two numbers here. We shall have x squared plus, instead of this we shall write it in an expanded form as this, as 9x minus 4x then minus 36 is equal to 0. Factorize this, we shall have x being common, so we have x into x squared divided by x gives us x plus 9x divided by x gives us 9. Then there is a common negative sign here, so minus 4 and we have 36. So the common factor here is 4, then into negative 4x divided by negative 4 gives us x, then negative 36 divided by negative 4 gives us positive 9 is equal to 0. Because the brackets are equal, we can form a bracket with this one and this one here. So we shall have it as x minus 4. This one and this one we have formed a bracket. Into one of these, x plus 9 is equal to 0. So that means either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 9 is equal to 0. Either this one is equal to 0 or this one is equal to 0. If this is the case, then we shall take this one across equal signs. That means we shall have x is equal to 0 plus 4, because when negative 4 crosses equal signs, it becomes positive 4, meaning our x is equal to 4 centimeters. If this is the case, we shall take this across equal signs, so we shall mean with x being equal to 0 minus 9, meaning that our x is equal to negative 9 centimeters. But remember, we are talking about a measurement, centimeters, whose value cannot be negative. That's why we shall discard this and leave this as the answer. So we shall say therefore x is equal to 4 centimeters. That's all for today, and have a nice day. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Steve Online Math.